Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. In this video, we're going to do the Atlanta real estate market update for October 2022. And you're going to like this one, and it's really going to be very telling about what's going on. So I want to go ahead and get into it. The mortgage rates are still climbing. So we're going to look at 6.625 interest rate as of today, which is October the 7th, and this is the rates provided by US Bank, and the APR is 6.77%. All right, so I wanted to make sure I talked about that because that's very important, and because the interest rates have gone up and we're seeing this trend, and I'm going to show you some other trends as we get more into the video. But as the interest rates have gone up, you have less buyers in the market, because it kind of disqualifies, I don't want to say disqualifies, it limits the amount of home they can qualify for. So it reduces their buying power because the interest rates have gone up. When the interest rate were super duper low last year, you had a whole bunch of buyers in the market, but you didn't have the inventory. Now we're starting to see the inventory, and we're going to talk about that as well. How many homes are on the market, how many days they're staying on the market, what the inventory is. We'll get into that. All right, so I just wanted to make sure I talked about that because it's going to be very important for buyers as well as sellers. So let's get into this. So on my YouTube channel, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. People have commented that the prices are astronomical in Atlanta, and buyers and sellers are being greedy. And I want to dispel that myth. The reason I want to dispel that myth is because when you have data can tell the story better, and it's better than just speculating about what's actually going on in the marketplace. So here, if you can see, I have it set up for a three-year period, right? So let's move this out of the way a little bit. So it's set up for a 3-year period. And as we look at January of 2019, you see that the median sales price was $235,000, right? Time is moving forward, and more people are still coming to Atlanta, and that is what's driving the prices. They continue to go up because there's demand. This is all economics. This is basic supply and demand. Yeah, there may be some instances where people have overinflated prices. We know we had a big run of homes last year in 2021, even carrying on into this year, where the prices were, people were bidding over the asking price. Like the asking price was basically a suggestion. However, if you look at the trend, and you can see in end of September 2022, the median sales price was $375,000. All right, and this is a trend. Look at it. It's currently just going up. You don't see it just going just all the way down here somewhere. You know, way down. It's not going to go back to that level unless something really weird happens. All right. So what I want to say is, if you're waiting for the prices of homes to go down drastically, especially in Atlanta, you're probably going to be waiting a while. Okay, so this is a really good time to buy. All right, and another reason why this is a good time to buy, and mortgage brokers have been saying this, and mortgage professionals, I should say, have been saying this, is because of the interest rates. So what's going to happen, or what they're predicting to happen, is that the interest rates are going to go back down within a year or two. So what they're saying is, go ahead and get into a home and refinance when the interest rates go back low. Okay, is this guaranteed? No. Am I a mortgage professional? No. So make sure you talk to your financial advisor or a mortgage professional, because I'm neither one, but this is what they're saying is going to happen in the marketplace. This is their prediction. Okay, not written in stone, it's just a prediction. Now let's look at the average, and we'll see that same type of trend, right? The average sales price in January 2019 was $284,000, almost $285,000. The trend has been going up. These prices are not going to go down back to the 200s anytime soon. I don't think so. And so the average sales price in September of last month, $442,000. All right. So I just wanted to make sure I got that out of the way. All right. So let's break it down to a year. All right, because that's really you're tightening up your data. Now I showed you the 3 years so you all can see the trend, and even just in the year you can see this trend. All right, from January 2021, we're looking at results from September 2022. Showed you that it's an increase of 11.1% from this time last year. If you look at that, was the average. The median price is $375,000 for September, and an increase of 11.9% for this time last year. New listings that are coming on the market, over 10,000 new listings came on the market last month. Right here it is, and that's a decrease of 5.7%. Right, but the total homes for sale, and this is telling, it increased 42% from, and you have a total of 19,000 homes. All right, 19,000 homes currently on the market. So that means the homes are staying around a little longer. And here's the next stat, right? Days on the market. Days on the market. The average days on the market for last month, September 2022, is 26 days on the market. All right, that's the average. And that's an increase of 36.8% over last year. All right. The median, even more telling, the median for September 2022, the median days on market is 14 days. All right. And the median, earlier this year, it was like 6 days. If you look toward last year, you got, 5 days, so it's sharply gone up. Okay. So, and closed sales, these are actually, this is the actual demand people are buying, and you have 6,979, basically 7,000 homes actually closed last month, September 2022, which is actually a decrease of 27%, and that is due to the interest rates sharply going down, just steady going down. So the prices haven't changed. However, the demand is still there, but the demand is going down because of the interest rates, and there are more houses on the market. All right. So, and I like to give this stat out. If no other home came on the market, the total month supply, if everything sold, would be 2.3 months, which that is an increase of 64% from the previous year. There are more homes on the market. There are less buyers in the market. So it's just typical supply and demand. The market is correcting itself. Again, that doesn't mean that the prices are going to just drop down. It doesn't mean that sellers and builders are being greedy. It doesn't mean any of that. Like I said, there may be some people that are, because we're human. However, the industry as a whole, this shows a trend of supply and demand. Very high demand here in Metro Atlanta. A lot of people are still moving here, and they're not going to stop moving here anytime soon. So the prices are going to continue to go up. All right. So I hope you all got some value out of this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and definitely leave a comment. I want to know what you think about what's going on in the Atlanta real estate market, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to keep on bringing you these updates, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.